Hi everyone. Today we have Professor Dr.Biswas with us. He is a professor of forestry in Dolphin PG Institute in Dehradun. And today Professor Biswas tells me he is here to tell us about the lesser known species of trees. Over to you, Dr. Biswas.
Yes, recently we have come to understand that we know a lot of about the trees and all, but there are trees which have not been given much of the attention. So later, I'll say people have got the attention on those. If you see, say of Indian subcontinent, there may be as many as 1200 to 1500 tree species set aside the shrub. And out of 1200 species, we have 250 or say you can say 300 species well known for timber yielding and all. So then what about the other species? Those species are those where the attention has not been put much. But lately, people around the world, they are concerned about it. They have some of those species have become, climate smart. Some of the species, they are now giving the products from their fruits, flowers, leaves, roots for the medicine, also as edible plants too. So in this line, I'd just like to tell you, you can see a tree which is leafless now, and you see the crown. It's a round crown, and it's leafless now, and but full of the pods, small pods, the roots. And this is what we call it Dalbergia or lanceolaria. And this is a lesser known. We know Dalbergia, shisha, we know rosewood, we know other few species more, but we have not put much attention on this. This has got the medicinal importance in its bark, in its leaf, and when it flowers. After some time, this is in the month of March. I understand within 2 weeks we will have this particular tree full of leaves, green leaves, and then more pinkish flowers. And then you'll see the honeybees. They'll be pollinating this, these flowers for setting, say about, I'll say about 85 to 90% of the crown is full of the seeds. I'll just walk with me. I'll just show. Now you can just see here. Look at this. These are the recluse of the same tree. And here, this is the area which I call as a microhabitat of many of the species. Several of such species which are lesser known. And you can just see here, there is no forestry operation. The whole area is under litigation. That is why the trees are safe. But you can just see of the same tree. This is leafless now. It will give. You can just see here. It is not dead. You may find it the green color. You scratch it. Green color. Chlorophyll is there. It is a young recluse. But at the same time, you can see the saplings. The Dalbergia lanceolaria has got the compound leaf. So I pick up one. So it's a pinnate leaf. So you will see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then there is a one terminal. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There may be one which must have been broken, but I don't see. So this shows the typical characteristic features of this. So this differs from shisham and or rosewood. And that's you just see here. You will find a sapling, and some of them trying to find the nature also as a people around to grow into a big good tree. Just see here. The leaves are not. Let's walk closer to this tree. And I can say here, look at this sapling. I will now see if I can contact the State Forest Department of Karnataka, particularly urban Bengaluru or Bengaluru urban, so that this can be picked up and grown as well. So there are many of those. Now I just try to see if I could get this garden. So lot of material there. So for the nitrogen condition also, this is an excellent species. Lot of activities. Okay. I got some pots, fruit. You can just see here. There's a single seed, and seed has been eaten away by this. Or the, although you see, in afternoon, many birds would come here. You can just blablas come with South Indian blablas, puff-throated blablas, what I learned, and they will eat upon the seeds. And look at this. There's a single seed. They are eaten and thrown from down. So look at this. The whole tree is trying to survive, and it has got the wood, which is whatever the little studies have been done, that has got very good quality, as good as that of rosewood. And this is, look how this is. What is this? Oh my God! Look at these. The flowers are trying to open there. See, you just see here. Those parts are there, and the leaves. So the leaves and the flower in person you can see. So after some time you will find there's a full of this. And now just pick up some of the here. Oh, look out here. Look out here. They have not, the birds have not reached here. And each of them is shown with single seed. Let me collect some of them for my students in the room to work in the nursery for growing these. This is a little bit about here. And internationally, even in the Indian subcontinent, the tree like this babool is also considered to be lesser known tree species. It has got the pots, as you can see here. Look at those pots, and it's typical of which has got the seed inside, pulpy seed. And then here's another species of acacia. And yes, you can see the bark. There's a difference. This is also lesser known tree species. Lesser known in the sense that we have not studied this, pollination biology, reproductive biology, is anatomical features, and then it's other features with regards to nitrogen fixation and all. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. That was lovely. Thank you for this amazing session, Dr. Biswas. See you soon.